Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, you are going to learn what is the sitemap, how to create sitemap, and how to add sitemap in your WordPress website. So let's get started. First of all, you are going to learn what is the sitemap. A sitemap is a file or page that lists all the important pages of your website. It helps search engines like Google brings others understand your site structure so that they can crawl and index it more efficiently. A sitemap can be XML sitemap meant for search engine, HTML sitemap meant for users. It's optional. An XML sitemap include URL and extra information like last update date, when you updated your website, and information, change frequency, page priority. Okay, sitemap important. Help search engine discover pages. For example, if you publish any new article or create any new page in your website, the sitemap helps Google or search engine discover this page to let them know that you have published or created new page in your website. Especially useful for new website or site with complex structure. Improve indexing. Ensure that all your important pages are indexed, because if your page does not index, then your page will not be visible or people will not get your page in the search result when the search in Google or any other search engine like brings. Boost SEO. Better indexing can lead to higher ranking search result. Basically, it's totally relevant with SEO. Highlight content update. Search engine know which content has been recently updated and which content has been published recently. So now we are going to learn how to create sitemap and how to add it on your WordPress website. There are two methods to add sitemap on your website or create sitemap. Number one method, use an SEO plugin. I usually use Yoast SEO. Also, you can use Rank Math or all-in-one SEO. With SEO plugin, it's super easy, but in this tutorials we are going to ignore the number one method because we have individual video about Yoast SEO. And number two method or second method is without plugin. It's for advanced user. So how you can do it without plugin? First of all, you have to generate a sitemap using online tools like xmlsitemap.com. So we are going to generate it. Open this file, create XML sitemap, and here is our website. You have to add your website link in here. This is our website link. See, paste it, start, and the xmlsitemap.com will generate the sitemap for us. So we have to wait a little bit time to complete this process. Okay, our sitemap creation has been completed. Now we're going to check out the next step. We have to submit the sitemap to Google Search Console manually. So how we can do this? View sitemap details. First of all, going to click on the view sitemap details. Here is the sitemap details, and here is the next step. We have to download it. So click on the download sitemap.xml. Okay, we have downloaded our XML file. Now we have to upload it. So I'm going to my website dashboard, then go to the add new plugin. I want to show you everything in an easy way. That's why we are going to add a new plugin named File Manager. Then install File Manager. click on the active. Now simply go to the file manager. So here is the file manager. Click on the file manager. We have to wait a little bit time. Welcome to file manager, then click on the no thanks. So here is the file manager, and now we can easily upload the file. So you can see that here is the option upload file, create new file, upload file, create new folder. So click on the upload files, then drag and drop our XML file. Okay, XML file has been uploaded. Then we have to go to another things, copy this file name and go to the XML sitemap.com, open search console and add your XML file. So open search console and select your website. We are going to select our website, Hobbyguns online shop. Okay, now click on the sitemap and simply add the file name after enter of website, then click on the submit. Wow, sitemap submitted successfully. So I hope you understand how we have created the sitemap and how to upload it and submit it on Google Search Console account, and of course the benefit, importance and everything about sitemap. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant WordPress, Shopify or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.